Good afternoon all. Yesterday lecture I had given the information related to introduction of the blood group. Previously I told to you that how we can decide the blood group of the person. But theoretically you understand right now that type of the antigen present on RBC according to that blood group is there. See the table properly. A antigen, A blood group. B antigen, B blood group. Both antigen, AB blood group. No antigen, O blood group. Okay, so that's why I had told to you that according to the type of the antigen on RBC, we identify the blood group. Now, yesterday I had given another clue that donor's antigen and recipient's antibody, if both are same, then we can't donate the blood or can receive the blood. Can't receive the blood, can't donate the blood. Blood આપવાનું પણ નહીં, લેવાનું પણ નહીં. If both are same, then. If both are not same, opposite one. We can take the blood or we can give the blood also. So the table I can draw right now. Yesterday table, and today we will complete the table. Type of blood group, donate to, can't donate to, receive from, can't receive from. So in yesterday lecture, I had told to you that you can go through the conceptual wise, fine, concept wise you go through it and fill the table. Hope you had formed that table. So let us check it is right or wrong, fine. So today I can draw the whole table. So you verify this table with your table and correct it if you have wrong thing, fine. Type of blood group, that is A. Blood is given to, donate to A and AB. Cannot donate the blood to B and O. Okay, let me explain this last time. Okay, carefully understand. Pay attention on my words. Okay. Suppose I am a blood group consisting person. I have 4 types of persons in my front. A, B, AB and O. See, if you know the basic table of blood group, fine. Blood group A person consists antigen A on RBC, antibody B in blood plasma. That table, if you know that, then and then you are able to give the answer here. So I am a blood group consisting person and in my front of 4 persons are there. In front of me 4 persons are there, A, B, AB and O. Think about. I am donor. I have antigen A. Think about. If I have antigen A, then I cannot give the blood to antibody A consisting person. Okay? Antibody A is present in these both persons. See, blood group B, antigen B is there, antibody A is there. And O, blood group person, no any antigen, both the antibodies. Okay. So, A blood group person give the blood to A and AB, but cannot give the blood to B and O. I have now received the blood from others. So that rule is same. So what I have to think? I have to think in opposite way. I have to think I am become recipient now. So recipient's antibody. So I have antibody B. So it is very easy that I have antibody B, so I cannot receive the blood from antigen B consisting person. So I cannot receive the blood from B antigen કોનામાં છે B and AB. But I can receive the blood from O and A. So dear all students, I hope you understand this concept. Fine. Now I can fill the whole table here. Carefully you verify your table with my table and correct it if you have wrong thing in that. Type of blood group B. So B blood group person donate the blood to B and AB. Cannot donate the blood to A and O. B blood group person receive the blood from O and B. Cannot receive the blood from A and AB. AB. AB blood group person can donate the blood to AB only. Not donate the blood to O, A and B. See, AB person can receive the blood from all. Why? Think about it. AB person is receiving the blood from all. Why? Because that person cannot consist antibody, any antibody. It has no antibody, so it can receive the blood from all. That's why AB blood group is universal recipient. So here I can put dash. Okay? Why AB is universal recipient? Because no any antibodies are present. But here, please wait. I have one doubt. Just right now I have told to you that AB is universal recipient, but it is not a proper answer. Why? Because AB consists two types, AB positive and AB negative. So I have to think about that. But later on we will discuss that. That answer I will give according to the RH type. Okay? Let me complete first this ABO type. Now the fourth type, that is O blood group. Okay, now the O blood group, O can donate the blood to all. Now you know the answer. Why O can donate the blood to all? Because it has no antigen. Okay, that's why O blood group person is universal donor. So here I can put dash. Fine. But what about receiving matter? O blood group can receive the blood from O only. Cannot donate the blood from A, B and AB because these three persons has antigen on RBC. So this is the basic donation and receiving recipient blood group wise thing. So this is the important table. So somewhere else you cannot find out these two columns. So basically you remember only these two columns. Fine. So again, A blood group donate the blood to A and AB, receive the blood from A and O. B blood group person donate the blood to B and AB, receive from B and O. AB person donate the blood to AB only, receive blood from all. And O donate the blood to all, but can receive the blood from O only. Okay, so this is the thing of ABO type blood group. Now, let us discuss with RH type blood group. You know that Karl Landsteiner discovered the ABO RH type of blood group. But apart from human being, on rhesus monkey RBC, scientists found another antigen on RBC of the rhesus monkey. Apart from the A and B, apart from the antigen A and antigen B, another antigen is present on the RBCs of the rhesus monkey. The scientists gave the name known as RH factor. Now, if RH factor is present, the name is given that RH factor. If the RH factor is present in the person, and that person is known as RH positive person. Okay, just for example, I am O positive. Normally I am O positive. So what do you mean by O positive? I have no antigen on RBC. I have no antigen A and B, I am talking about that, but I have RH factor on my RBCs. Okay, so I have RH factor on RBC and antibody A and antibody B in my blood plasma. So this is the explanation of O positive person. Okay, so majority in human population, 85 percentage. Majority 85 percentage of total population possess Rh positive group. તમારે ઘરમાં જેટલા ફેમિલી મેમ્બર્સ હોય એ બધાને તમે બ્લડ ગ્રુપ પૂછજો, એ બધાના બ્લડ ગ્રુપનો તમે એક ડેટા કલેક્ટ કરજો and see majority out of 10 persons, 8 to 9 persons are positive. બરોબર, તમે 10 persons નું બ્લડ ગ્રુપ તમે પૂછો એ 10 માંથી 8 to 9 persons તો પોઝિટિવ જ હશે, might be 1% નેગેટિવ હશે. Okay, so this is about the Rh positive. Now next, the most important thing, you understand this proper. If Rh factor is absent, that person is known as Rh negative. Yes, you know this. Next point, 15% of total population તો મારો કહેવાનો મીનિંગ એ છે RH નેગેટિવ માં RH ફેક્ટર નથી તો છે શું, રાઈટ? RH factor is present, known as RH positive, and RH factor is absent, then yes, this is RH negative. But please remember this. RH negative person cannot consist RH factor, but that person consists RH factor against antibody. Okay, now I can clear one concept. Fine, remember this. I have two persons, RH positive and RH negative. So according to RH positive and RH negative type, you know that total 8 types of blood groups are present in human population. Yesterday I told you A positive, A negative, B positive, B negative, AB positive, AB negative, and O positive, O negative. But I have to think, please pay attention here. I have to think that I have two types of person. See, RH positive and RH positive. Two persons I have. So I have question. RH positive, donate the blood to RH positive. This is the arrow. Fine. So RH positive, donate the blood to RH positive. Yes, no problem at all. RH positive can receive the blood from RH positive. Yes. Understand this? Rh positive can donate the blood to Rh positive. Rh positive can receive the blood from Rh positive. That is very easy. Suppose I am A positive, so I can give the blood to A positive and AB positive. Later on I will make the table. Okay, next. I have one person Rh negative and in front Rh negative person. Think about it. Yes, both the side arrows possible. Rh negative donate the blood to Rh negative and receive the blood from Rh negative also. These two concepts are very easy. Now, Rh positive and Rh negative here. Okay. One positive person is there and in front one negative person is there. So, positive person cannot donate the blood to negative person. Red marker થી લખું છું, બરાબર? ક્રોસ કરું છું. Negative person cannot give the blood to, positive person cannot give the blood to negative person. Why? એટલે કહેવાનો મતલબ શું છે કે A પોઝિટિવ A નેગેટિવ ને બ્લડ નહીં આપે. મેં હમણાં જ તમને અહીંયા કીધું કે A person give the blood to A. Yes, no problem. According to the table it is right. But A positive cannot donate the blood to A negative. Why? Problem is not related to A blood group. Problem is related to RH blood group. Positive have RH factor and negative has RH factor against antibody. That's why please remember this. No one positive person can give the blood to negative person. If you clear this concept, then it is very good. So, Rh positive cannot donate the blood to Rh negative, but can receive the blood from Rh negative. Yes. Here, sign is that. Now, opposite way. The above thing is same here, but carefully understand. Rh negative give the blood to Rh positive. But cannot receive the blood from Rh positive. સિમ્પલી કહી દઉં તો જો આપણે કોઈને બ્લડ આપી ન શકતા હોય તો એ પર્સન આપણું બ્લડ ન લઈ શકે. If I am unable to donate the blood, so opposite person cannot receive the blood. Both are same thing. Okay? So, concept wise, again, I am taking one example here. For example, you understand this wall from this example. A positive person can donate the blood to A positive or receive from it. A negative person donate the blood to A negative, receive blood from it. A positive person cannot donate the blood to a negative person but can receive the blood from a negative person. And similarly, a negative person donate the blood to a positive but cannot receive the blood from. So last two sentences I can write here. Okay, so finally conclusion is this: Rh positive donates the blood to Rh positive only. Rh positive receives the blood from Rh positive and Rh negative both. Same way, Rh negative donates the blood to Rh positive and Rh negative both, but receives the blood from Rh negative only. Okay, so hope you understand this. Now, last point. So according to the NEET exam, this is very important. Remember this, that AB positive is universal donor. ક્યારે બી તમને ખબર પડે, મેં તમને એટલે કીધું કે આપણને આપણા બ્લડ ગ્રુપની ખબર હોવી જોઈએ. સપોઝ કોઈ પર્સનનો એક્સિડન્ટ થયો અને એની પાસે જે સ્માર્ટ કાર્ડ છે કે આઈડેન્ટિટી કાર્ડ છે એની ઉપર એનું બ્લડ ગ્રુપ લખ્યું છે AB પોઝિટિવ. મેજર એક્સિડન્ટ થયો છે, heavy blood loss થયું છે. Now there is a requirement, there is an emergency situation is created and requirement of the blood immediately, but there is no time to check the blood group. What we can do, ગમે તે બ્લડ ગ્રુપની બોટલ બરોબર. ગમે તે બ્લડની બોટલ ચડાવી દો, ગમે તેટલી ચડાવી દો, નો પ્રોબ્લેમ એટ ઓલ. અને કાંઈ નહીં તો કંઈ નહીં, તમને પર્સનનું બ્લડ ગ્રુપ ખબર જ નથી, બટ હેવી બ્લડ લોસ થઈ ગયો છે, ઓ નેગેટિવનું બ્લડ ગ્રુપ ઇમિડિયેટલી ચડાવી દો. Why AB positive is universal recipient? Because it has no any antibody in blood plasma, no any antibody. How? AB positive means antigen A, antibody in AB positive, antigen A, antigen B and Rh factor all are present on the RBC. એટલે શોર્ટમાં કહેવાનો મતલબ એ છે કે જો પર્સનનું બ્લડ ગ્રુપ AB પોઝિટિવ હોય, ખબર હોય, ગમે તેનું બ્લડ ચડાવી, ગમે તેટલું ચડાવો, કોઈ પ્રોબ્લેમ નહીં. And if the person has O negative blood group, but remember, O negative blood group receive the blood from O negative only, not from O positive. Okay? So if you have O negative person, accident occurs, fine. તો એને O negative નું જ બ્લડ ચડાવવાનું રહેશે, O positive નહીં. Why O negative is universal donor? Because it has all the antibodies in blood plasma. O negative means antibody A, antibody B as well as Rh factor against antibody present in blood plasma. Okay, so that's why O negative is universal donor.